Hello my dear friends, my name is Lauris and today I will be attempting to teach you guys how to fix most stutter and lag in The Sims 3. This is what helped me most with the lag in Sims 3, so I hope this helps you too. Of course, before we jump into the good stuff, I must say that this is only a portion of what you can do to fix your lag in Sims 3. There are many more fixes out there by other great Sims 3 content creators. I will leave some videos of the fixes in the description below. As I said earlier, this helped me immensely with the lag, so I will share it with you now. Okay, so here we are. Let's start. Step 1. Open the s3pe package editor download link. That is the first link or step 1 in the description, but also you can Google s3pe and the first link that shows up, s3pe SimLogical. So you click on it or you click in the description and we are here on the site, the download site. So, by the way, for short I will call it s3pe for the rest of the video for convenience sake. All links will be in the description, as I said, in step order, so the s3pe download link is the first link because it's step 1. So now we are here on the s3pe download site. It says here that you need .NET 4 build installed. But this is already installed on most computers, so you shouldn't worry about that and you can probably skip this. For me, I didn't need to download the .NET 4 build since either an equal version or a newer version is installed on most computers, including mine. So now we download s3pe by clicking the first download link right here, the Windows Easy Installer version. So we click here, we get redirected to this site, we wait 5 seconds for the download to begin. Okay, here we are, step 2. So we have downloaded s3pe and my browser is Microsoft Edge, so my downloads show up on the top right corner. So as you can see, s3pe, we click open file, then there will be a window called user account control and it will ask you, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? And you will click yes. And then we have the Sims 3 package editor setup open. Okay guys, here we are, step 3, s3pe setup. So first things first, we click I agree. Next, this is personal preference, the first two, install for all users and create start menu entry. I will uncheck them because install for all users means if you have multiple users on your computer, you can install for all users. But I have only one, so I will uncheck it, because I don't need for all users, there's no more users than one. And create a start menu entry, I do not want that. And these two, I do not know what they do, so better leave them unchecked. So now we click next. Then, the destination folder, you can leave the default folder or you can create your own folder, like I will do. I will go to programs, make new folder, s3pe, enter. Okay, now click install and it will install. It has installed. Now you click close. Welcome to step 4 and welcome to my desktop. So as you can see, we do not have s3pe anywhere on our desktop, and if we search for it, we also can't find it because we didn't create a start menu entry. Well, I didn't, maybe you did. It depends, it's personal preference, as I said, but I didn't. So how do we get s3pe on our desktop for easy access? Okay, so you open a File Explorer, you find the installation location of s3pe. It was either the default one or the one you chose, and I chose Disk D, Programs, s3pe, and there we have it, s3pe.exe. So now you right click it, send to, desktop, create shortcut, and there it is on your desktop, so you place it wherever you want it to be. I will rename it to just s3pe, and now we have it, easy access to s3pe on your desktop. Welcome to step 5, how to use s3pe, why we use s3pe, and what is merging CC and how does it help the game. So first things first, double click the shortcut we created in step 4 to open s3pe. Now we have opened s3pe and you are welcomed with a blank screen. So now let's explain why we use s3pe, what is merging CC, and how does it help the game. So I have downloaded 4 pieces of hair custom content. So merging CC means we turn these 4 files into one file, which will help the game run better and lag less. So how do we do that? So you open s3pe, you click File, New, and then you right click, you go to Import, you click as DBC. So what now? You find those custom content files you want to merge, highlight them all, how many you want. I suggest not too many because the s3pe might crash. I haven't had crashing issues, but I read that it might crash if it merges like a lot of CC. So try to like merge not too many, but like you can go more than 4 definitely. So you highlight the 4 files, in my case the 4 CC files, you click Open. Then you navigate to either your desktop or a folder you have created where your merged CC file will appear. So now, obligatory to name it. So name it, I will name it merged hair CC. And now click Save. Now wait for s3pe to do its thing. And now when this shows up, it is done. So you can check either you placed the file, the merged file, on your desktop, or like I did in a folder, and it's right here, merged hair CC. Now you put this in the you go to Documents, Electronic Arts, The Sims 3, Mods, Packages, and as you can see, you put it here. I, for example, have all my merged CC right here, like as you can see, merged all female clothing, merged all female hair, etc, etc. As you can see, I have not a lot of files in my packages folder. That is because all my CC is merged. If it wasn't merged, this folder would be full with files and my game would lag like crazy. Bonus step 6. What to do if I have already merged all of my, for example, CC hairs into one file, but I want to add more CC hairs to that same one merged file. So, how I do this is, I keep a folder on the desktop called Packages, where I keep all of my downloaded, as I call them, raw CC files. As you can see, I suggest keeping this folder for as long as you are playing Sims 3, because this way it is easy for you to create a new merged CC file every time you decide to download more CC. So for example, I have a folder called All Female Clothing, and as you can see, it's a lot of CC files. Or raw CC files, as I like to call them. Okay, so let's say you have merged all of these files already, all of these files, into a singular merged CC file, as I showed earlier how you can merge CC when we merged those 4 hair CC files, sorry. So you want to add more CC to the same file. What you would do is add the newly downloaded CC files into the desktop folder, which in my case is called Packages, which is this folder right here with all of my CC files, raw CC files. Disclaimer: do not confuse the desktop packages folder, which I have, which is this one, open, with the actual Sims 3 packages folder, which is in Documents, Electronic Arts, The Sims 3, and Mods and Packages, where you put your actual CC, in this case all the merged CC. Anyway, now that you have added your newly downloaded CC into the raw CC folder called Packages on the desktop, you can use s3pe to merge these CC files into a new single merged CC file and replace the old one in your actual package folder. So, for example, let's pretend I didn't have these boots. So now I add it into my raw CC files, and now I can take all these files in s3pe and merge them. And that will create a new merged CC file, which you can go to Documents, Electronic Arts, The Sims 3, Mods, Packages, and there you can place it. For example, it would be this file, merged all female clothing. And there you have it. That's what you do every time you want to add new CC. You make a new merged file. Place it in the Documents, Electronic Arts, The Sims 3, Mods, Packages folder. And that is my s3pe tutorial. I really hope you guys understood. This is my first tutorial ever, and I am pretty bad at explaining things, but I tried my best. So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below and ask me anything. I will try to help you. If something wasn't as clear as it should have been and I messed up somewhere, maybe, hopefully I didn't. So I really hope this helps your game lag. I really hope this I really hope this helps your game lag less, and I really hope I helped today. I really hope you learned something today, and yeah, happy simming, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.